the wedge-shaped structure discharge port, coupled with the blowing device, avoiding powder accumulation and discharge residue. Blow pipe cleans material residue. The discharge flap valve adopts a modular design with independent structures, which can be replaced individually, making maintenance more convenient and time-saving. ONGOAL horizontal Ploughshare mixer can achieve more uniform mixing in a shorter time. With better consistency, lower energy consumption, and effectively prevent contamination from foreign objects. It also requires lower investment costs.